Hi everybody. Today is the day that you vote for the ring or for the bracelet that you want to show. So first I will say the names, and in the comment you will first put the name that I say, the name and the name and the name of the bracelet that you want me to make, and put the video on. So this one, it's called Seg. It's like a rubber band with like the C-clips on. The necklace, you put necklace. This one, it's called for the game this of the comment. If you want one of these bracelets to put, so I can put it in YouTube, you only I will tell you the names, and you put it on comments the name of the necklace or the bracelet or the ring or this like that of that, so I can make it for you. This is called Cool, only for the game. This is called Yeah for the game. This is called Super for the game. This is the ring. Yeah, ring like that. That's my sister. The necklace that I told you. This is called Easy. This is called Pool, only for the game. This is called Super Coco Loco, only for the comment thing. And please put down comment so I can do the bracelet. And if I was you, I would put this one because this is beautiful, and I can show you like different types. And this, I invented it, and this one too. And my sister invented this ring. So please put that comment, and I will put in YouTube the one that you like. So thank you.